Hair loss help. Long, lustrous and silky hair are trademark of many, especially females. A female's hair are her best natural accessories to carry and obviously show and even compete with her same-sex friends. But if you are amongst those 60% of the females who is suffering with hair problems, then you know the shock of having less hair over your head. The major problem is that the hair loss in females is considered as a taboo in society, and this adds to insult to injury to the females suffering with hair loss or hair thinning problems. Women themselves do not feel comfortable in openly discussing their problems. However, men can discuss openly and thus able to try on several treatment options, including treatment of hair loss using medications, etc. You are not the only woman who is suffering with hair loss and feeling difficulty in openly discussing and finding resolution of hair problems. According to a clinical analysis, 1 in every 4 women is suffering with hair problems. Females also keep worrying why hair loss happens. The causes of hair loss in women can be any, like harsh hair treatments, hormonal changes during pregnancy, or menopause. Stress and unhealthy eating habits also lead to hair problems. Sometimes, hair thinning in females may be genetic. The hair thinning as a genetic factor normally occurs between 18 to 24 years of age. The most common form of hair loss due to genetic or other medical factors is alopecia androgenetica. This is the sort of hair problem in which the hair becomes extremely thin so that one can see through it. Alopecia areata is another form of hair problem that normally starts as tiny bald patches but may result into total hair loss, if not taken care of. If you can believe it, almost 1/4 of the world population is suffering with some type of hair problems. And any sort of hair problems in females affect self-confidence and sometimes may even lead to anxiety and depression. The first step in settling any sort of hair problems is distinguishing the nature of hair loss you are suffering with. There are a number of treatment options available for treating hair problems, depending on the kind and severity of problems. Your doctor may suggest some oil, cream, or lotion to apply on your scalp. If hair loss is due to hormonal, hereditary or due to some other serious health problems, then your doctor may prescribe you a variety of medications. Besides getting aid from a health professional, you also can take care of your hair to avoid hair loss. How? Here are given some tips and tricks to prevent you from bad hair days. 1. Analyze your diet. Nutrition plays a vital role in keeping healthy tresses. Lack of essential vitamins and minerals and proteins etc. may switch hair problems. Ask your doctor, nutritionist for help. 2. Opt for loose and comfortable hairstyle. Give up the hairstyle that introduces tensions in your hair follicles. For example, tight ponytails, chignons and plaits. 3. Avoid layered cuts as these create misapprehensions of more vigor. 4. Do not use too often the heated hairstyling tools, such as tongs and straightening irons, as these may create strain and breakage of hair. 5. Use wigs and hair extensions or use hats, scarves and funky jewelry to draw attention away from your hair. 6. Ask your hairdresser to monitor your hair growth, but not become obsessed about it. 7. Stress is a major trigger to hair loss. Try to stay positive. This video has been produced in the ever easy to use video creator, Content Samurai. Check out the link below to try it out for free.